I'm Kshipra and welcome back to my channel. Now this is Valentine's week, so I thought why not do something related to Valentine's. Now I know a lot of you guys must not be having any plans and must be sitting at home wondering why is she doing that video, but I know a lot of you must be having plans with your girlfriends, boyfriends, your friends, your parents, whatever, and I thought why not show you guys some outfits or some cute pieces that I've been eyeing this month. It's all cutesy pieces, even though I'm not going out on any dates, but I just like seeing these pieces and keeping them in my cart for future purposes. So I'll be showing you whatever I've been eyeing, and in case you like something, I'll be listing everything in the description box down below for you guys. You can go ahead, purchase it, and of course wear it on Valentine's or even otherwise, because these are all things that are not red, because I am not somebody who considers only red as the color, and it's just too cliche to wear red. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting up my screen recording over here, and it'll have all the things that I have in my wish list or in my cart from different stores, including Myntra, Ajio, Amazon, Instagram stores, and a few others. So let's begin. Okay, now I'm gonna open up the Myntra app on my phone because that is one of my favorite places to shop from, and I added a lot of stuff to my cart, but a few of those things have gotten out of stock, but whatever is left is also very pretty. So in case you like them, just go grab them ASAP because बहुत जल्दी out of stock हो रहे हैं. Okay, just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. मतलब मेरे subscriber देख लो, obviously sponsored नहीं है, but these are genuinely things that I really like and I wanted to show them to you. The number one thing is this skirt right here. This one is from Berrylush. Now, Berrylush in general has really cute pieces, especially their dresses, and their summer collection is something that I really like. Now, this skirt in specific is something that I picked up because number one, it has polka dots, which is never gonna go out of style, and number two, iska jo detail hai, I mean, it's like a waterfall detail along with ruffles, which looks super romantic. So if you're somebody who loves summers, you should definitely invest in this one because it's super versatile. You can wear it to a beach, you can wear it for a brunch date, and you can also wear it on normal summer days because it's super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna be going super random in this one. I did not really create boards as in कि ये मेरे को पहले skirts के बारे में बात करना है, then I have to talk about dresses and all of that. Whatever is gonna come in my wish list, whatever order is gonna pop up is what I'm gonna be showing to you. So the second thing that I have is this dress right here. Now this is from a brand Athena. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is a wraparound dress. Number one, it looks very elegant. मतलब मेरे पहला picture देख के ही I was like, oh shit, it's so elegant. And number two, it's like a really, I mean, I don't think it's a cotton fabric, but it's like the fabric that's usually available in Zara dresses. I may be wrong, but देखने में वही fabric लग रहा है. And it's something that is suitable for a date night. It's something that's suitable if you're going out at night. In general also, it looks very elegant, very ladylike is the word for it. Love this one. Okay, moving on to the next one. Now, if you're somebody who loves dressing up in t-shirts and tops and jeans and all of that, this top is for you. Now, this one has sweetheart neckline. It's from a brand called Kale in London. For some reason, I really thought that this brand made diamonds. मतलब पता नहीं मैंने कहीं ad देखी है, whatever it is. But it's a black top. It has sweetheart neckline. It has balloon sleeves, and ये crop top है with buttons. What else do you want? I mean, the first time I looked at this one, I was like, oh shit, it's something that I would have found on Shein, but it's on Myntra. Now there's one thing that is missing in this one, especially for me. I mean, maybe you like it this way only, but for me, I would have liked it 100x more if the sleeves were of mesh fabric. I don't know if you guys know it. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have this white top that I got from Shein. It is almost similar to this one. It has mesh sleeves, and that one looks so pretty, and I would have really appreciated if iske andar bhi mesh sleeves hota, but it looks really nice the way it is. And if you're somebody who loves black, then you would definitely love this. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have this dress right here. Now this one is from a brand called Streetstyle. I originally found this brand on Myntra while scrolling through it for joggers and utility pants, but this dress, I mean, you can imagine the kind of variety that the brand has. They have utility pants, they have joggers, and they have dresses like this. I really love the color of this one. And then, of course, when it's Valentine's, when it's something romantic, something when you're going out with someone special, you would definitely want to look sexy, but not everyone feels comfortable in showing too much skin, or I mean, that's not even the definition of sexy. But lace in general makes people look super sexy and feel sexy, and this dress is the perfect example of it. It has tears, it has ruffles, and then it has lace, the perfect combination of the three things that you can ever imagine. Also, the color is so pretty. It's not teal, it's not green, it's somewhere in between, and it looks very, very pretty. It's If I was going on a date on 14th, I would have gotten this one and I would have worn it. I'm cheating on the color black. Now moving on to the next dress, it is this dress right here. Now I did show you that blue dress that was wraparound. It's from the same brand, it's from Athena, and this one is off shoulder. It is also wraparound, but it's off shoulder, and this looks very, very pretty. I mean, again, this is something that looks very ladylike, very elegant. If you pair it up with black heels or nude heels or even metallic heels, it would look super pretty. And if you're a tall girl, I mean, if you're a tall girl, especially if you're a tall girl, then you should definitely consider getting this one, because I feel that the structure of the dress, or the how the dress falls on the model here, it looks like this would look really pretty on someone who's tall. So next thing that I really, really like is this pair of heels from this brand called Lemon and Pepper. Now I've never really heard of this brand, but the quality of the shoe looks top notch. It's like a pointy shoe, and if you're someone who loves heels, then you should definitely get yourself one of these pointy shoes, because they're so versatile. You can wear them to parties, you can wear them with Indian, you can wear them with Western, you can also wear them to office. I mean, pointy shoes are the most elegant pair of shoes that you can own, and this one really looks nice. These are all the things that are still available on Myntra. The rest of the things are already sold out. So if you're looking for something like this, then definitely go ahead and get yourself the thing that you want, because बहुत जल्दी out of stock हो रहा है सब कुछ. In case you're interested, again, the links will be in the description box. Now I'm gonna move on to Ajio. I remember I did not have a lot of things from Ajio that I liked for Valentine specific or just cutesy stuff in general. But there were like 3-4 things, and उसमें से भी I remember only 1 or 2 were clothing items. So let's just get to it and see what we have. Okay, so the one and only thing in clothing that I have from Ajio is this red dress. Now, I said that wearing red on Valentine's is something very cliche, but this dress really looks pretty. I mean, इसका जो drop shoulder with ruffle detail है, it looks very nice, and also it's not like a bodycon dress, it is fit and flare. I mean, यहाँ से नीचे it'll be all flowy and you can twirl around and have fun in it. I mean, अब इतनी भी गर्मी नहीं है, it's almost beginning to feel like summer. So you can definitely go ahead and check this one out. It looks very pretty, and the shade of red is also not something ऐसे जो आँख में चुभने वाला होता है. It's like a very, I mean, subtle, not subtle, but जो दबा हुआ red होता है, is that is what the shade is. It's from a brand called Harpa. Now I've owned 2 blouses or office shirts from this brand. Now the material is not the top notch for those 2 blouses. The material wasn't the best, but it was something that you could wear comfortably during the summers and not sweat. And that's basically what you want from your clothes. So definitely check this one out in case you're interested in something red for your Valentine's. Now, all the other 3 things that I have is from this brand called Jules Galaxy. Now, Amazon पे भी I had this thing only in my cart or wishlist, whatever you say. This brand in general, I mean, Amazon पे, if you look up, I'm not sure if it's on Myntra, but Amazon and Ajio, both of them has this brand, and the quality, because I've personally bought from this particular brand, and the quality of the jewelry is really, really nice. I really love, I think my sister ordered a rose gold chain from this brand, and I did show it to you guys in my Myntra haul. बहुत पुराना है, देखना होगा तो I'll just link it up right here. But the quality of the jewelry is really, really nice. I love this pair because this one has 3 hoops and 3 studs. I'm more of a hoops person, and especially जो round hoops नहीं होते, I like hoops to have some shape, but not weird shapes. I mean, circle में होना चाहिए, but it can be zigzag, it can have pearls, it can have those shells and all of that. I mean, I like my hoops to be not OTT, but not very normal, in between. And this one has 2 मतलब मोटे वाले hoops and one octagon shape के hoops and one normal hoops हैं. The second one that I really like is this one. Now this one has again two hoops, one of which is I think I'm not sure what you call this brown one. ये मुझे नहीं पता क्या बोलते हैं. But again, this pair is really pretty. इसके अंदर dangler studs, hoops. The variety is there. Now the last one from Ajio is this dainty necklace. Now this one is something that you can actually wear for your Valentines. And उसके बाद आप general everyday basis पे भी इसको पहन सकते हो because it's not very extravagant. It's very subtle. It just has one chain and the other chain has a heart pendant. Really, it's really pretty. I'm thinking of getting this one actually. By the way, I just noticed Jules Galaxy is running amazing discounts. 80% off है इसके ऊपर. It's originally 2245 and you can currently get it for 449, which is again, I think it's a little pricey for this necklace, but you can definitely go ahead and check out the other pieces that they have. But I definitely would recommend checking out this particular brand for jewelry on Myntra as well as, on Ajio as well as on Amazon. Now that we're talking jewelry, let me talk about a few Instagram stores that sell jewelry, which I really love. I mean, dainty jewelry, not silver jewelry, but normal daily wear jewelry that I really love. And number one has to be shop Thisto. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your brand's name, but I really love this brand. I mean, it's जो jewelry you used to find on like on Shein is something that you can find here. I mean, just look at the variety. I really like एक तो this gold chain, the link gold chain. इसके अंदर I think they also have in silver. I saw it somewhere. Now again, this is something that I own. This necklace is again something that I similar to this is something that I own. I got it from Shein, and again it looks really pretty. Again, a bunch of link necklaces. Really love this heart one. Very pretty. Definitely check out this brand because they have really pretty pieces, and it's not like the most affordable store out there, but definitely something that has super trendy stuff. Okay, the second Instagram store that sells amazing jewelry is Inaya_accessories. Again, I'm gonna mention the page names over here because I might be mispronouncing some of them, or you can definitely go ahead and look it up in the screen record over here. This store also has like really trendy pieces. I really like this one. I mean, बहुत ही it's like a really unique piece. इसमें link भी है, it has dainty piece also, and then एक pearl का string is also there, which looks really nice. Then again, this lock wala is super famous. I mean, almost everybody on Instagram is wearing this nowadays. Also, this pair of earrings really looks nice. I mean, it's adequate amount of bling right here. Then these are safety pin earrings, and I've actually been looking for them for a very long time, and I don't know how I missed out on this one, but again, very pretty. Definitely go ahead and check out Inaya_accessories because I mean, I don't even have to say, you can see how gorgeous the pieces are. Okay, apart from these, the next destination or next place I can definitely go ahead and check out would be Streetstyle store. I ordered quite a few things from there I think 2-3 days back, and I'm expecting them to arrive in another 5-7 days. It says 7 to 21 days. I'm not sure when it'll arrive, but they had really nice pieces, not in jewelry but in general. They had really cute shoes. They had really cute tops. I mean, Shivangi wore it on her Instagram. I'm gonna mention her handle in the description box down below, but she wore that top on her Instagram. I really liked it. That is where I actually found out कि अच्छा इतनी अच्छा collection आ गया है. I knew about Streetstyle store पहले से, but I did not really know about the fact that they have upgraded their collection. And this time I've ordered a few things, and I'm expecting them to be good because Shivangi said whatever she has received is really nice quality. So if you want, you can definitely go ahead and check out Streetstyle store as well because affordable and pretty. What else do you want? Next place or application or website that I would suggest you guys to check out would be Urbanic. A lot of people say that they have really cute pieces. I mean, I have checked out that they have really cute pieces. मतलब ऐसा कि Shein जैसा ही सारा सामान है, but again, I haven't ever ordered from them, so I'm not pretty sure of the quality of stuff or the kind of stuff that they have. But a lot of people say that, I mean, most of the people say that the quality of stuff is really nice, so you can definitely go ahead and check that out. But Urbanic takes like around more than a week to deliver your parcel, so you might not want to order it for Valentine's. They're slightly on the pricey side, but I guess they're worth it, as people say. Please do not quote me on that. Okay, coming down to the last store, that is Amazon. Now, I never knew that Amazon has such nice pieces. I was actually scrolling through Amazon for you guys. I mean, I wanted to look up if they actually have nice pieces, nice designs, whatever. And I came across this store, I mean, this brand that is Lily London. Now, the brand really has some cute tops. I mean, the red one looks really pretty. Then the yellow one, I mean, if I'm guessing they have more colors. Yes, they have more colors in this. I mean, it's like really the designs are really cute. I have never ordered from this brand, but looking at it, they look really cute. If you're somebody who's into tops, then you can definitely go ahead and check the brand out, because some of the designs are really pretty. I mean, look at this one. This sleeves, oh my god, I really like it. So the second store that I want to discuss with you guys on Amazon is Jules Galaxy. Again, something that I did show you on Ajio, but matlab Myntra pe, Amazon Pay, you have like quite a lot of options. So definitely go ahead and check this brand out. If you're someone who loves dainty jewelry, or jewelry in general is your vibe, then definitely check this brand out. Iske alawa Joker and Witch is also really nice, but Joker and Witch is slightly expensive. But Jules Galaxy is comparatively, you know, cheaper and has good quality. So definitely check this one out. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल चुकी हूँ and I'm really tired at this point, but I hope you found something for yourself. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments down below if the number of options that I showed you is adequate, because I am thinking of making this a series, and मैंने first video की है क्योंकि इसलिए I did not really want to bombard you with a lot of options. I thought I'll keep it a little less, and that is exactly what I did, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna make a lot more of these videos, and yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, bye, take care, and have a really nice Valentine's. Whoever has dates, enjoy, but just be safe. Bye.